Alright, so literally Ro doesn't fail to manage the surprise. So we just got another last minute trip. Where are we going, bro?
Bro, I don't even know at this point.
Yo, bro,
We were just told to pack our bags.
Yeah, literally. I don't know what airport. I don't know. Well, now I know the airport because we're here. I don't know what flight. Oh, I found
It's
them.
like we were kidnapped.
Oh, I found them. I found them.
No. This is not. We're not doing Delta too, bro.
Oh, yeah. Look at all them chickens. Oh man, we gotta walk all the way down there. Come on, man. Fuck, we gotta walk all the way down there.
Yo, bro, let me know something. This is SVJ road.
Yeah, bro, Flaco, you could probably drive your SVJ today.
Really?
Well, SVJ will make it 2 seconds past.
Yeah, I really won't. You can tell we're a tourist. Look at this. Over here stopping the traffic.
Right there.
We got stopping the traffic. Look how little he is. Look at everybody looking at him. You're the center of attention right now. Está riendo. Nice mask, bro. I don't recommend it. Oh. All right, so those are like some little snippets of like the whole entire trip to Puerto Rico. I actually really didn't record much. I was the whole entire time just kind of, basically on vacation. I haven't gone on vacation in a while. So this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the trade that made me $17,000. Boom, the profit right here. Literally real profits, real withdrawals. Can't fake none of this stuff. And I literally did this, not even trying to flex, not even trying to, sell you guys the lifestyle. But I swear, I did this from my phone, laying down in my bed. After a long day, I literally just looked at my phone. The trade made sense. Boom, sent out the signal, took the trade, went to sleep, woke up the next day, and then boom, take profit was hit all the way, right? So I'm going to show you guys this simple trade that I literally take time and time again, right? I wouldn't say it's like the golden to my strategy or whatever, but it's just the simplicity behind how I trade, right? So obviously starting off from the top-down analysis, you can tell obviously here that the weekly is bullish. You can see here how the weekly has created a left head, then a right shoulder right here, left head, right shoulder. You can tell we have had a strong weekly bullish engulfing. And then what do you expect after that? You expect the retest of the neckline, right? So then once you go down to the daily time frame, you notice how this level of support is used as resistance, and then support, right? So obviously when I took this trade, it was around this area right here. So this is probably when we were leaving to Puerto Rico, and then basically landing or whatever, we had the break. So I'm like, all right, cool. I tell everybody in the signal room, all right, now we wait for the pullback, we wait for the retest of this strong resistance, and then views as support. That's where I go down to the lower time frames, and I don't enter off of just the pullback. Like I need an entry signal. I need this trade to confirm my entry, right? So then obviously this is where price starts getting near into this level, and then we get this right here, this first bullish candle rejection. So this is where I go down to the lower time frames. Very easy concept, and then you can see it right there, your 1 hour bullish engulfing right here, confirmation rejection from your level of resistance, and then you also have to keep in mind that the daily is bullish as well. You have to notice how the daily is bullish and we're retesting strong daily higher high. Notice this is a very simple pattern. Like it's, bro, literally this is textbook, and I can show you multiple examples in this just move right here. Everything is high, higher, low. Then what do we expect? We expect the previous resistance to be used as support, and then what do we expect for a base to be formed? And then we have the next higher high. What do we expect after the next higher high? Well, then we just simply expect for this move right here to continue. So we wait for this next retracement. So this right here is this higher high push. Notice the higher high push. And then what do we wait for? We wait for the higher low to literally do this exact same thing. And this is here where we are. Notice the higher low. We come here, and then we have the higher low, where we have the level of resistance that is used as resistance. the high, higher low, retest. It's literally the same thing. Obviously, this is just with charts, and this is the actual candlesticks that it happens. It's very simple. And then this is where I basically go down to the lower time frame and I look for my entry signal, which obviously, like I explained, it could be a simple, 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour engulfing. And then basically after that, it was just set and forget. Literally, you guys know me, set and forget mode, let the trade ride all the way. And then boom, hit my take profit perfectly, right? As you can tell, this trade continued to go up a little bit. My ideal take profit would have been the tap of 70,000. It would have been a total of a 1 to 5. So if I would have been risking around 2%, I would have passed, any funding challenge literally with just this one trade. But I like to aim for anywhere from a 1 to 3 to a 1 2.5. This trade actually gave me a 1 to 3. And then notice how where I got out was essential, because if I would have squeezed it and tried to keep it going all the way to the top, guess what would have happened? This trade would have came back down and then taken me back out at break even, right? You can't get greedy. A lot of people are like, oh, how long do you hold your trade for since you're a swing trader? I'm like, yes, I'm a swing trader, but like I don't have like, oh, I hold on my trades for a week or 2 weeks or 10 days, 5 days. Doesn't matter. Like I hold my trade until it hits my take profit. You get me? So that's something that a lot of people don't do. They probably close it right after this bullish engulfing right here because they're like, oh, it's running into resistance. But bro, like we're overall bullish. You expect it to break that level of resistance. So now what I'm looking for is for it to break above this level. Once again, use it as support. As you can tell, we have resistance, retest this resistance to be used as support, retest the 4 hour EMA, and then we can continue this trade to the upside. It's very simple trade. I bought out of support, I closed out my take profit, and that's it. Simply move on to the next trade. So thanks to this trade, vacations were paid for, and it really doesn't get any more complicated with that. I want to drop some news. I am actually coming out with Bootcamp Part 2. As you guys know, I am probably one of the only people I've ever seen do it, which is a 30-day live bootcamp. I'm going to be doing it in the next week or two. So application will be in the down below. So if you guys want to go check that out, make sure to sign up. I'm probably last time I think I worked with 13 people, something like that. This time around, I'm probably going to work with 15 people for the bootcamp. I like it because it's a very closed group, and then we could all literally have mics open and conversations because, it's serious people that are serious about the industry. And the best part about it is that the people from the previous bootcamp, I'm rolling them over to this one. So if you enroll into the bootcamp and I do anything else in the future, you're going to roll over to any next, service that I come out with, because I just don't believe in, continue charging. You get me? I believe in growing the community with the traders. So let's say if I were to come out with bootcamp 3 or 4 or whatever the case is, I will literally roll you over. Like you will continue being part of the bootcamp. So this next bootcamp is going to be interesting because we're going to have traders that are literally turned from rookie traders. I don't want to say rookie, but like rookie in the sense like they didn't really understand the proper beginning things. You get me? They had the complete wrong concept. And I have many testimonials. You guys can go check them out below. And then literally turn them from that to now they could even mentor people or teach people in this next bootcamp. And they're gonna come in and give you kind of their insights because I already know how to trade myself. Obviously I've been doing it for 4 years. I've been doing it full time for about like 2.5 now. So what these people are gonna do when they come in is they're fresh off of making those mistakes. So they're going to be able to explain to you exactly where you are, because they were where you are exactly 30 days ago. So now they fully understand everything, so they could explain it a little bit more slower, I guess, and then from a more personal standpoint, because they were just where you are right now 30 days ago. So I mean, that's something that I want to come out with in the next, I want to say 2 weeks, right? So the spots are going to sell super fast. I know that for sure. So, I mean, if you guys want to go apply, like I said, the link will be below. And I'm excited. I want to keep growing the community, keep catching trades at this. I literally caught this with everybody in there, and it was just, bro, so simple. They were like, oh, do we close down? I'm like, no, guys, we just let it ride, do its thing. Kind of getting that back and forth experience with me with them has helped them out a lot. So I'm very glad for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for this new trade that will probably post up here within probably like a day or two. So make sure if you want to go check it out, update me on it, and I will see you guys on Friday's podcast. It's going to be a very, very special podcast. Literally, podcast has been killing it. So I will see you guys there. Take it easy, guys.